Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check Muscletech original product. First, always purchase from authorized retailers to minimize risk. Next, familiarize yourself with the brand's official product lines and packaging designs. Genuine products consistently display high-quality printing and clear, legible text. Be aware that counterfeit items often have subtle differences in their appearance, which can be a key indicator of a fake product. Carefully inspect the product's outer packaging for any signs of tampering or poor manufacturing. Authentic Muscletech products often feature a holographic sticker or a unique security code that you can verify online. Always check that the inner and outer seals are completely intact and show no signs of being broken or resealed. A compromised seal is a major red flag, indicating the product may not be original or safe to use. Verify that the batch number and expiration date printed on the container match any information on the outer packaging. Pay close attention to the product itself. Genuine supplements usually have a consistent texture, color, and smell. Any unusual variations could suggest a counterfeit. For ultimate peace of mind, use the official Muscletech website's product verification tool, often found by entering a unique code from the packaging. Be cautious of deals that seem too good to be true, as unusually low prices from unauthorized sellers are a common sign of counterfeit products. Always scrutinize the label for any poor printing quality, blurry images, or spelling mistakes, which are strong indicators of a fake. Remember, your health and safety are paramount, so always prioritize authenticity. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.